I'm the director, writer, and producer of The 14th February and Beyond. It is a non-fiction feature-length documentary film which was premiered at Indian Film Festival of Goa, 51st edition in Indian Panorama category, and and we loved the response from the audience. And during this testing times of pandemic, still people came to watch the documentary. The house was full, and the reviews that came about this documentary, which explored the Valentine's Day in many dimensions, the capitalistic nature of Valentine's Day, the commercial aspect of Valentine's Day, psychological impact on society, and many more in different ways, and how this day is this day is tampering with the social sanity, mental well-being of our society. So it is really an important thing for a filmmaker, where we have dedicated around 2.5 years to make this film, because it was a very challenging subject. And I'm very thankful that after traveling to the world, more than 10 countries, again this film has come to India, and it is being shown at the 51st IFFI, which is a very proud moment for entire team. And I'm here with my team, and I really feel proud about it. And I really want to thank 51st IFFI, the whole organization, Ministry of Broadcasting and Information, and the entire fraternity that have made this film festival possible. And I would like to thank because Sri Javadekar ji, because under his vision, how he has given the green light to this festival, and how this festival has come into the light, where the pandemic kept us, pushed us apart, but this festival brought us together. And the kind of precautions these people have been taking here, which is very commendable. And I feel so proud and thankful and blessed that I could come here and be the part of my screening. It is absolute an honor. Thank you so much.